So guys, we have our sample text on the timeline. Now for the liquid effect, select the text layer, move and transform, then the scale, make a keyframe. Now the duration of the text animation, make another keyframe, move to the first keyframe, unlock the chain. Now increase the height, then decrease the width a little bit. So this is what we have so far. Now for the effect, select the layer, effects, add effect, tab on the search bar, search for smooth edge. Standard settings, make a keyframe for the strength, increase the strength to the max value, move to the end point, reduce the strength to 0, and we are done. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.